It's your travel agent, David, and we are about to check out the Fuji Shrine. And if you can see it back behind me, Mount Fuji's poking his head out. So let's go check out the Fuji Shrine. Fujisan Hongu Sengen Taisha is a revered Shinto shrine located in Fujinomiya City at the southwestern base of Mount Fuji. As the head shrine for over 1,300 Sengen shrines across Japan, it holds a central place in the spiritual and cultural heritage surrounding Mount Fuji. If you make your way out here to the Mount Fuji Shrine, if you're looking at this building here, if you're looking at it to your right, look down here, you're going to see a Torii gate down there. There's also a nice orange covered bridge over a little pond. So there's some great photo opportunities over there. The origins of Fujisan Hongu Sengen Taisha trace back to the reign of Emperor Sunsen from 29 BC to 70 AD, during a period of heightened volcanic activity. The shrine was established to appease the kami, or the deity of Mount Fuji, known as Asama no Akomi, and is to protect the surrounding regions from eruptions. In 806 AD, the shrine was relocated to its current location, further solidifying its role as the principal site for Mount Fuji worship. Now, the Honden, or the main hall, was built in 1604. This two-story structure exemplifies the unique Sengenzukuri architectural style and is designated as an important cultural property. Romon Gate, a striking vermilion lacquered gate constructed by Tokugawa Ieyasu, adorned with intricate carvings symbolizing divine power. Throughout history, the shrine receives patronage from various influential figures, including shoguns like Minamoto no Yoramuti and Tokugawa Ieyasu. Ieyasu's contributions to 1604 led to significant architectural developments, many of which have been preserved and designated as important cultural properties. Fujisan Hongu Sengen Taisha enshrines Konohanasakuya Hime, the goddess associated with Mount Fuji and volcanoes. She symbolizes delicate earthly life and is revered for her protective qualities against fire and natural disaster. The shrine serves as a traditional starting point for pilgrimages to Mount Fuji's summit. Pilgrims historically performed purification rituals in the sacred Wakatama Pond, fed by Mount Fuji's spring waters, before commencing their ascent.
This is the Torii gate that I was talking about earlier from down there, that I said if you come to your right, you come here, you got the Torii gate, then you have these bridges right here. The beautiful water, it's so clear, you can see the koi fish in there. Now from this, with the shrine behind you, over here there are men and women's restrooms. There's also a little area here where you can sit down and just listen to the waterfalls. It's very serene over here, so, and a lot of great places for you to take awesome photos.
Now it's open daily, and the hours do vary seasonally. April through September, they're open 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. March and October, 5:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. November to February, 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. And the admission is free.
Hopefully you can see that, but no trip to the Fuji Shrine would be complete without being able to see Mount Fuji. Very impressive. Even the dog likes it. It's all excited. Well, that completes our time here at the Fuji Shrine. If you come to this area, I really highly recommend you come out here, bring a picnic, and just enjoy nature out here. It's really awesome.